I know this whole time I was not connected. Okay, guys, I wasn't connected this whole time. So y'all didn't hear me say all my run-up stuff, but I'm going to Wayne County today, Lake Cumberland. I really want to see the lake from the sky and everything. After that, I'm going to Taylor County, about like an hour and 45-minute flight altogether. So I'm excited. It's long coast country. As long as I do a touchdown at 2 different destinations over 50 nautical miles from Louisville Airport, Bowman Airport, which is Taylor County, and Wayne County. So I got a heading of 090 when I take off. Stay at or below 2,500. Departure frequency 132.07. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. My other one, 132.07. There we go. 437 is my squawk code. So right now I'm just chilling, waiting on them to get the clearance to depart. We're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this to 090 heading, because that's where I'm gonna go. I'm excited, guys. So I'm gonna pause this. I can't pause my wing one, but I'm gonna pause this one just because I want to save my battery life. So let's get it. We're gonna get it done. Once they land, I'm gonna put it back on play. Hopefully I can hear it. So hopefully I catch it in time. Get it. This Aztec just landed, so I'm just waiting on departure clearance.
November 05 Tango, turn left heading 090, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Left heading 090, runway 24, clear for takeoff, 05 Tango. All right, we're good, guys. Let's do this. Make sure we're good on the runway.
Bowman Tower, Cessna 13887 is holding short of runway 24, ready to go.
Then we rotate at 75.
Cessna 13887, Bowman Tower, make right traffic, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Right traffic, runway 24, clear for takeoff, 13887.
Don't get too fast. There we go.
05 Tango, contact Louisville departure, have a good flight.
Contact Louisville departure 05 Tango. Thank you. Louisville approach Skyhawk 3505 Tango on a heading of 090 at 1,700.
Skyhawk 3505 Tango, Louisville departure, ident, Louisville altimeter 3020.
Louisville altimeter 3020, 05 Tango.
River 05 Tango, ident, proceed on course.
Proceed on course 05 Tango.
River 05 Tango, radar contact 2 miles east of Bowman Field, climb and maintain VFR 5500.
Climb and maintain VFR 5500, 05 Tango. So if y'all can see, this looks great out here, man.
Right Alpha Romeo, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles, maneuvering, altitude indicates 2,900.
Alpha Romeo, searching, no contact.
And UPS 2751 Heavy, we just changed flows, so plan on runway 17 right, normal speed.
17 right, normal speed, UPS 2751.
Beautiful, y'all. It's beautiful. I'll trim a little bit. So I'm at 5,500 right now. Not really touching anything. Just kind of trying to avoid the clouds. If you can see, the clouds are literally right here. It's so beautiful. This is so beautiful to me. Like, hold on, let me get my phone out, cause I want to.
Louisville approach UPS 2867 out of 16 for 11 at Cherry 250 knots. We have Foxtrot.
UPS 2867, Louisville approach, expect runway 17 right, we just changed flows, hotel is current, Louisville altimeter 3020. 0257, contact Indianapolis Center 126.37.
2637, Army 257, good day.
Good day.
So beautiful. So beautiful. Alright, y'all. So this is really, really dope. This is like really, really cool. just look at everything. I'm at 5,500. Oh, excuse me. I'm at 5,600 right now. I'm supposed to be 5,500. I'm going down a little bit. Trying to stay above the clouds. This is so cool. I'm above the clouds right now. I'm not in the clouds, so I'm technically VFR still. You're supposed to be 1,000 feet above, 5,500 feet below, and 2,000 at width with the clouds. In my opinion, it's so hard to see if I'm 1,000 feet above.
GPS 2867, descend and maintain 4,000, flying 080, vector to final.
Beautiful. We're good. We're currently about to be over Bardstown. This heading that we have is a 179 heading. Possibly. I said
Southwest 2570, descend and maintain 3,000.
Descend 3,000, Southwest 2570.
There we go. Kind of climbing a little bit. I'm getting better with my trim. Like figuring out how my trim is going to be. Like so I won't have to control
Southwest 2570, turn left heading 260. Remember, Christian,
okay.
UPS 2845 heavy, turn left heading
Like
070.
But yeah, man, I got the camera out here.
070, UPS 2845.
3505 Tango, contact Indianapolis Center 124.62.
Contact Indianapolis Center 124.62, 05 Tango. Indy Center 3505 Tango on a heading of 165 at 5,500.
For 3505 Tango, Indy Center, roger. London altimeter 3018, maintain VFR.
Altimeter 3018, maintain VFR, 05 Tango. Change my altimeter. There we go. Look how beautiful this is, guys. So the field elevation is, so I need to be at 1900 by the time I go up there. So 10 miles. Indy Center Control, 3505 Tango, South 305. Indy Center Control, Skyhawk 3505 Tango, requesting permission to switch frequencies to the C-Tab at Wayne County Airport.
Number 3505 Tango, roger. No observed traffic other than the one I just called in. He's currently sitting off at your, let's call it 11 o'clock and 5 miles. Pretty consistent heading off to the northeast. Should be no factor for you. Number 05 Tango, squawk 1200, fix the changes approved.
Fix the change approved, squawk 1. If I'm looking for a flight following back to Bowman, do I stay on this frequency or get back with the frequency 05 Tango?
05 Tango, yep. If when you come back out on your way to Bowman looking for traffic advisory, just come back up on this frequency.
Will do. Thank you. 05 Tango. Wayne County traffic, Skyhawk 3505 Tango, 7 miles to the north, inbound for a touch and go for runway 3's Wayne County traffic. Wayne County traffic, Skyhawk 3505 Tango, 4 miles to the north, entering a left downwind for runway 3 at 2,300. I have the airport in sight. We're still recording good. All right, so the airport's up here. To our left, I can, but I'm not going to because I want you to look at me and be able to see all that stuff too. So we're actually going to paddle back to 1,000 so I can come down.
Livingston traffic, Cessna 34 Tango, entering left downwind, runway 3, Livingston.
All right, I'm at 1,800 right now. Runway 3. So we're doing a touch and go and headed back to runway 3. Wayne County traffic, Skyhawk 3505 Tango, entering a left downwind for runway 3, Wayne County traffic. Nice.
Livingston traffic, Cessna 34 Tango, left base, runway 3, Livingston. Livingston traffic, 34 Tango, final, runway 3 Livingston.
Wayne County traffic, Skyhawk 3505 Tango on a left base, runway 3, Wayne County traffic. Coming in kind of high, but that's okay because I'm going to adjust. Says I'm low now. Wayne County traffic, Skyhawk 3505 Tango on a short final from runway 3, Wayne County traffic, touch and go. Hard to see the lights, I ain't gonna stunt. There we go, now we got the glide slope. All right, good. Hopefully I got that. Both cameras, we good? We good, boy! Let's go! Don't run into no type of thing. Get it back to field elevation. Wayne County traffic, Skyhawk 3505 Tango on a left crosswind from runway 3, departing the pattern. Wayne County traffic.
Upper Cumberland traffic, Cessna 210 Yankees, 10 miles to the east, inbound runway 22, Upper Cumberland traffic.
43 heading. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, y'all.
Down traffic, Chicago 521, left base. Runway 3, touch and go.
Wayne County traffic, Skyhawk 3505 Tango, departing the pattern, headed northbound at 2,600, Wayne County traffic. I'm about to maintain 3,000 for now. But yeah, man, so that's pretty much the trip. I'm headed back to Louisville now. So thanks for flying with me. I appreciate everything. Expand your horizons. Very important that you expand your horizons. So much beautiful things out here in the world. I'm flying over Lake Cumberland right now. This is so dope. But yeah, be ready for
Mark stop traffic, Chicago 521, left crosswind. Runway 3, touch and go.
All right, so be ready for the video to drop. And so yeah, I'm about to go do a touch and go at Taylor County. Then I'm headed back to Bowman. I'm probably gonna pick up a VFR flight following me after I hit Taylor County. I may not, but we're gonna see. All right, thanks again, guys, and expand your horizons, man. Check out my next video. Follow me on IG, Jermaine Bibb _. Shot by Sniper. My photo on IG as well. Shot by Sniper on IG. Thanks for flying with me, man, and expand your horizons. Have a good one.